welcome to this new video. Today we're actually out here at Iverlez place. We're going to convert this bike, this enduro bike, into a fresh Supermoto with the new rims and plastics and seat cover, and put on an FMF. So this is the bike. I think we should take a look on everything he has gotten, all the new parts. So these are 17-inch Supermoto rims with black spokes, orange nipples and orange hubs. Yeah, it's black and orange, looks really good. A big Supermoto disc, 320 millimeters. I also got some new plastics with graphics kit already installed. These decals and plastics are from Scrub Designs. Also a seat cover that's gonna match the new style of the bike. I also got some new tires to mount on the Supermoto rims. Got some new grips, changed out this old from enduro riding. So I also got some frame protectors, the orange and black ones. Yeah.
Can't forget the FMF pipe.
Yeah.
The FMF muffler from a motocross bike.
Probably gonna be really loud because that FMF,
short.
It's really short. So we're also gonna tint the headlight, but first we need to tear it down and start cleaning because it's kind of dirty. Okay, we got the bike totally disassembled now. It's only the engine left in the frame. There's no reason to take it out now, so we're just gonna leave it in there. So we will start cleaning and then start assembling the bike again.
And I'm trying to polish up the header. As you could see before, the muffler is already done. It's Now we have been polishing the header as well, so now we can almost just put it all together and get out and almost at least.
It was time for a small update on the project. The frame is kind of clean now. The triple clamps is back on the bike again. As you saw, we have the tires on the rims now. We got some help from a friend Tobbstar. Check out his Instagram, it's linked in the description. So now we're gonna clean up the swing arm, wrap the fork legs in some black vinyl.
So what is going on here? Oh, we're taking away the clister marks.
We're ripping off the stickers.
We're ripping off the stickers. Oh, I see. Very good. Oh, I see what you can do. Very strong.
polished up the rear shock. Let's install it on the bike again. Okay, so the bike is done now. We didn't record much in the end, but we just wanted to get the bike done. But let's check what we have done to the bike. So we have tinted the headlight with some smoked vinyl. Then we have put black vinyl on the fork legs to make the fork black. We have put on some Supermoto rims with the 320mm front brake disc. New plastic, as you can see. And a new seat cover to match the new custom graphics. Some new frame protectors. We polished the kickstarter and clutch cover to make it look a bit fresher, because I put on a FMF silencer. Also polished that a bit, as you saw. Maybe put on a sticker later, we will see. We also changed the rear sprocket to make it a bit faster for streets. We also polished up the kickstand, so it matches the kick and the clutch cover on this side. We put on some new grips. We have the original indicators in the front. For now, we're gonna change those later, probably, to some smaller ones. We have built a plate holder to hold the rear light and some small LED indicators. So the only thing missing right now is probably the sticker on the FMF if we decide to put that on. And so that's the finished bike.
I'm the dead man walking, half that zombie, back up off me, one man army. Tree. Count your blessings if you ever think you're messing with me, cause I'm aggressive, psychoactive, most definitely. The top of the food chain is where I happen to be. I'm the dead man walking, half that zombie, above me, one man army. It's still me against the world. It's still me against the church.